So like I promised to you guys on the unboxing of the Raldey Carbon AT, I'm going to open this board and see from the inside what they have made on this board to make it IP65. So if you want to know everything and if you want to see this board from the inside, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MedPack, and like I promised to you guys, I'm going to open the Raldey Carbon AT to see what they have done to avoid the water to go inside this board. So they say that it's a IP65, but I have already told you guys on the unboxing that I was not really happy about the movement on the cable on the back. But let's open this top part and see how it looks from the inside. I've been already riding this one and I'm quite impressed in many things. There are a few things that they have to improve, and they are doing it. So they are developing new parts for this board. I've been helping them, but I'm really curious to see what they have done to make this more waterproof. It's not fully waterproof, it's just IP65. As an IP65, I'm expecting some kind of insulation on the inside. So let's take all the screws and see a little bit closer. So when you open this, you can see that the top part is a piece of wood. So not the best when we talk about rain. So you have carbon fiber, but where you put your feet is a piece of wood. So this, if it goes on the rain, it will not be the best solution. So you're going to damage all this area, and obviously you have water comes on the inside. So I don't recommend to use this, because also all on the sides you don't have any rubbers. So if you have problems, you're going to have problems because the water is going to go on the inside. Obviously you can change that, and you can put some silicone all around, and also where the cables pass to go to the motherboard and everything that you have here, all the controls. But obviously they could have done this better than it is. The cables, they are quite organized. All the motherboard and all the connections, they are protected with a layer of rubber, so that is cool, but also is a disadvantage, because if you have any problems you have to swap all that part of the skateboard. It's just to let you know, it's not the best solution when it's raining if you was thinking to buy a Raldey Carbon AT for those specific situations. Before you go, thank you very much to be on that side. My name is Marco, this is MedPack. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.